Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time, as you can see, I am still at home at my parents' house here in California, and I am going to, what I'm thinking about for this next video is to bring on my mom again. And if you guys seen in a previous video, I have all of the, well actually all but one. I think it's called Attrape something. I don't have that one, but these are the samples that my SA gave to me. And I was gonna have my mom, you know, test them out and see what she thinks. And the plan is to try and figure out the one that she likes the most and get that one for her Christmas present. So yeah, it is Christmas Eve right now, so I know we are going to be going out to go shopping later, so hopefully I'll be able to get it then. But yeah, so the next thing you'll see is probably with me and my mom. So yeah, stay tuned and see what she likes. Back with my mama, and like I said, we are going to sample, or have her sample, some of the Louis Vuitton perfume fragrances. And now these are from the women's line, so we're just gonna basically spray some on a piece of paper and I'll have her smell it, and then later on maybe I'll have her rank her top to worst, best to worst. Okay? Okay, so well, first, what kind of perfume do you like? What's your favorite?
Well, I use all different kinds.
Well, what's your favorite one? And look at the camera when you're talking.
Oh.
Just name one. What do you normally wear?
What is that now?
Oh my goodness. Do you know what brand it's from?
Because I just wear all different kinds, but then I have, what do you call?
What? Is it Chanel? Is it Tom Ford?
The other kind.
What other kind? Anyways, we'll get back to that. And so, and I am here back at my parents' house, and so the background's a little bit different, and the lighting is a little weird too, because yeah, you can see that sort of like glare right there in my eyeglasses. That's sort of like a little light that I have down there. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first one we'll try is Rose Devant. I know you guys can't see it, but this is Rose Devant. And so I will just spray this card, and I'll just tear it in half and have her smell it, and I'll smell it too. Ooh. So what do you think of that one?
Smells like a strong rose.
Well, it's a rose fragrance, a very flowery one. But would you say you like rose
Yeah,
fragrances?
it's my favorite flower though.
So it's her favorite flower, but do you like the smell? So just remember that smell, and you could smell it again later. Okay, so the next one is Turbulence. Okay. And I actually forget what these smell like also, so I'll be reliving some of these fragrances. Okay. Oops. Again, this is Turbulence, and I'm just spraying it on the piece of paper and having her smell it. What do you think of that one? What does it smell like?
It's another flowery.
Does it smell sweet? Does it smell... It smells kind of sweet, less flowery.
Yeah, but it
smells
good.
It still smells good. Okay, it still smells good, you guys. So remember what these smell like, and then at the end, you'll tell me what your favorite one is, okay? Okay, the next one is Dans Le Peau. Okay. So, uh-oh. What do you think of that one?
Just like the other one.
But do you like it? Do you not like it?
Yeah, it's good.
I don't like this one. So, is it your favorite so far, or not so favorite? Which one's your favorite so far, the rose?
No, maybe the second one.
You like the second one now? The turbulence? Okay.
What is that kind made of?
I don't know. But okay, so my battery, my camera, my battery's about to die too, so hopefully we get through all of these. If not, we'll have to go on to my phone because I didn't charge my camera. So this one is Apogee. If you could smell
It's
that.
like a woody smell.
Yeah.
Woody.
Do you like woody smells?
It's woody. It's like...
Well, do you like it?
Yeah, it's okay. It's like kind of woody something.
So she likes it, but I don't think that's her favorite. Okay, next one. Let's do this one. So this is Le Jour se Lève, and this is one of their newer fragrances. And let's sample this one. Okay. And now with fragrances too, you also have to spray them on your skin, because your skin will change the scent of it. What do you think of this one?
Another woody smell.
This is more like citrusy. Do you smell it? It's like tangerines. Well, do you like it or not? Is it okay?
Well, it's mild. Mild.
And after a while, after you smell them, you can't really smell the differences.
I know.
But we'll go back to ones that she thinks she likes. Okay, so the next one is called Contre Moi. Okay. I'm gonna spray this one. Have her smell it. Ooh, this one's stronger. Smells like...
It's like a candy.
Yeah, it smells like cotton candy.
It's like a candy.
Do you like the smell? We need more information, Mom.
Candy.
Do you like it or not? Do you like the smell of candy?
I like it.
Okay, she likes it. Was there any ones that you did not like yet? Okay, so the next one is called Matière Noire. Matière Noire. So I did take French in high school, but I lost quite a bit of my my French. But okay, there you go. Ooh, that one's. This one is.
It's like a men's cologne.
Matière Noire. Is it? I'm not sure because I do have another box of these that are in the men's line. And I don't know if this...
Yeah, it smells like for men.
Okay, so Matière Noire. I think that might be a men's fragrance. I'll have to double check that one. So she's not a big fan of that one. And the last one is called Mille Feux. I think that's like a million something or other. Yeah, I told you I forget all my French. Ooh, maybe we should have had like coffee or something to like cleanse our palates. Because you know how they have coffee beans?
Yeah, when you smell in between. Too many.
I guess I didn't plan that far in advance. So again, this is Mille Feux.
It's another men's smell cologne.
I don't think so. I think this is for women. Well, you're not your favorite?
No.
Okay, so she does not like Mille Feux. Okay, so the two that she did not like were the last two. So Mille Feux and Matière Noire, because they smelled kind of masculine. But let's go back. Was there any ones that you want to re-smell? Here, let's Contre Moi. Now we're talking about your favorite.
Is this like the candy one?
Is it? Let me see.
Forgot.
Maybe it was. I don't remember. So, not your favorite? Okay, Apogee. Let's try to narrow these down. Is this a contender? Apogee.
Maybe.
Okay, Apogee is one. So, in Contrama, we already ruled that one out. Okay, what about this one? So this is, again, Le Jour se lève.
This is like a...
It's like tangerine.
No, it's like a pine.
You think so?
Yeah, it's like a pine.
Well, what's your favorite types of smells?
Flowery, maybe.
Okay, here's Dans la Peau. And also think about like well, you can't really think about how it'll smell on yourself. But
It's hard, there's too many.
Well, what do you think of this one, Dans la Peau?
Oh, that's...
This one I don't really like, but you said you liked it?
Not
How
much.
about, okay, she does not like Dans la Peau. I do not like Dans la Peau either. This is Turbulence. Yes, no?
You smell this? I think it's good.
Okay, so Turbulence is one of her other favorites. Okay, Rose Devant. This is the roses.
Oh, it's not as smelly now.
Here, smell this one. This is kind of... Yeah, after a while of smelling, you don't really smell things either.
No more, you cannot really
Here,
smell.
let me spray it again for her. Okay, there.
Now it's not smelling so strong like rose.
I think it is.
Well, maybe it's just too much fragrance.
Yeah, you probably should have got some coffee beans or
Yeah.
something. Well, what's your favorite then? Could you tell the world what your favorite is?
Maybe just this number 2. Where is it again?
Number 2, I forgot what number 2 was.
Was that the one?
Dans la Peau. You said you didn't like that one. I think Turbulence. I don't really like that one. See, now they're all starting to smell all weird.
I know, because of all the,
Okay,
all the
let's
smell.
just do one more. And this is again Le Jour se lève because it is one of their newer ones. And so I'm going to respray it.
This is like the piney smell.
I guess it's piney. I mean, I think
Yeah.
it's more orangey. Wait, do you like it? Do you not like it?
Well, it's for the season.
It's for the season. What does that mean? Oh, because it's Christmas?
Christmas.
Okay, so was there one that you liked over all of them? The world wants to know.
Maybe just number 2.
Which one was number 2? I think it's Turbulence.
I don't know, you should have numbered them.
I should have numbered them, that's right. Dang. Okay, so she likes, I think, Turbulence, but I could be wrong. But okay, so I guess that does it for this video. Yeah, so stay tuned. And remember, so this is my mama. You could call her, what do we call you last time? Mama Luxury. But yeah, so I don't know if I'll be able to do more videos while I am here at home, but we shall see. And yeah, until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys.
Bye-bye.